Hey guys! Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a super extra full glam makeup look for Thanksgiving. And by extra, I mean extra, you guys. You guys are going to be looking super bomb with this makeup look. So if you guys want to see the look I create, then keep on watching. So I already did my eyebrows off camera because they are super bushy, super ugly. Your guys' eyebrows probably look better than mine. Taking my Modern Renaissance palette, I will be using Burnt Orange, which is this shade right here. I am blending this all over the eye. So I also forgot to tell you guys that I already primed my eyes. I just used my concealer and then I set it. Make sure that you guys have a base because if you don't, your eyeshadow is just not going to show up as well and it's not going to last as long. Next, I'm going to take this shade which is called Rail Girl and I'm going to start blending that into the transition shade. I'm going to start blending this a little bit upwards, not too much. I am still going to be adding some brown and then maybe some black and slowly start blending it toward the inner part of the eye. Also not too much. So I got a little ahead and I did the rest of this eye. So I'm going to take this shade right here, which is called Cypress Umber. We're just going to place this right here on the outer corner. I'm going to go back in with Burnt Orange and then Rail Girl. I need everything to be fully blended. So now I'm taking Obsidian from my Prism palette. So going back in with Cypress Umber, that brown shade I had used. And I'm going to slightly blend this. Just a little bit. Now I am going to cut the crease with my Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. I'm just taking this flat brush from Shop Misé. This is in the brush E122. This brush is so good, you guys. It was just $1. Very good. Me enredé. Baby, me solté. Right here, I'm going to start rounding it out. By rounding it out, I mean this. I don't know if you guys can tell on camera. I'm making a circle. I'm gonna take some more concealer. I'm taking this shade right here and it's called Golden Ochre. This is just to set it. It could be any shade you want. Okay, so now I'm going in with the black again. Contigo me enredé. So now I'm taking my Morphe 35OH palette and I'm taking this gold shade right here. We're just going to put this all over the eye. As you guys can see, it's there, but like not very intense. So that is why we are going to add some glitter. For the fun part, I'm taking my Too Faced glitter glue. Now I'm taking this glitter. So now I'm gonna go in with my eyeliner. Okay, so I'm going to be using Shop Miss A lashes. These are the AOA lashes in the style Brianna. Okay guys, so the lashes are on. This is how it looks. Now it is time to prime, and I'm using my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. I shouldn't even be priming because I'm literally going to take it off right after this. But my makeup will look ugly if I don't prime. I didn't do a wing, you guys. Did you guys notice? I just didn't feel like doing it for this look because it kind of already has like that wing effect since, you know, I winged it out a little. So next I'm going to go with my foundation. This is the Infallible foundation from L'Oreal. You guys have seen me do this a bunch of times, so let's just skip this part. Since I already have this concealer out, I will be using this one. Tú eres atrevida, sé mucho, pero si la ven bailando buena favorita, si la ven. So I will be taking my foundation powder. I was going to use a different one, but I don't know where it's at, so we're just gonna use this one. So now with my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit, I'm going to take this shade right here, this warm shade, bronze the face. So that shade went all over, but now we're going to go in with this cool tone shade right here. We're going to use this one to actually contour. Gotta cut that jawline right here. I'm just gonna give myself a nose job. That's so sad. You see the powder? It all came off. Oh well, who cares? I don't know what shade it is, but it's kind of orange and it's from Wet n Wild and it's broken. I put way too much. Now my cheek looks orange. Yeah. My nose job doesn't look that good either. Okay, yeah, this one looks way better than this. This is sad. Okay, so I'm going to take my Master Chrome highlighter in Molten Gold from Maybelline. And this brush is from Shop Miss A 517 fan brush. So I'm taking a smaller brush. This is a Morphe E36, and I'm going to take some on my nose. Ooh! Look at that, you guys. Of course, we have to put this in our inner corner because we need to be glowing. I'm going to take this NYX lip pencil shade Nutmeg. This is a Wet n Wild Caramel Cake. This is a lot darker. I'm probably going to take this off, but let's try it. Oh yeah, a lot darker. okay, I kind of like it. But I also kind of want to add a lighter shade in the middle, so it's not just this dark shade. I'm going to take this Velour liquid lipstick from Jeffree Star in the shade Can't Relate. Okay, yes. Okay, so now I'm going to do a little bit on my under eye and I'll be right back. After long hours, I'm finally done with the look. This is it. I wasn't sure what lip to do, but then I did this and I love it, you guys. I have never done a dark lip like this, so I'm living for it, you guys. This glitter, this is me. The lipstick isn't, but like the eyes, it's me, you guys. Like literally me. She's glowing. I am probably not going to do this look tomorrow. Am I even going to do my makeup tomorrow? Maybe I'll be super lazy and not do it. I don't know what I'm going to do tomorrow, you guys. Like, tomorrow is Thanksgiving, but I don't know if I should go all out like this. I'm not really like a big dress up holiday person. If you guys are and you were looking for a super glam look, I hope this was an inspiring look for this Thanksgiving, so you guys can be slaying at the dinner table. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to click on the little bell so you guys will be notified whenever I post a new video. You guys, since it's Thanksgiving, I want to thank you guys for taking the time out of your day to watch this video and for subscribing. Thank you guys so much. It means a lot to me. And well, I hope you guys have a great Thanksgiving. And well, yeah, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!